JJ the CPA here. Hope you're doing well. Hey, I am putting together this seminar. Now hang on, I want you to check it out. It's a deep dive, new, expanded. The IRS has come out with final information in my mind in terms of how we can capture this phenomenal tax credit that I think pretty much every small business in America should qualify for, but unfortunately there's going to be a ton of businesses that are going to miss the boat on this. Two reasons why. One, they're going to have someone that's guiding them that is missing the boat, and or they're just not going to be aware of it. So the employee retention tax credit is freaking huge. It's $5,000 per employee in 2020. It is $14,000 per employee in 2021. Two different ways to qualify for it. One, that you were partially or you were shut down, but how do you know that you then were according to the IRS? So I'm literally going from the law to the IRS to the forms to the calculation to show you that even essential businesses are qualifying for this easily. So I'm a CPA. I've got over 28 years of experience, and I haven't steered any of my clients wrong. I've actually never had an audit adjustment on any return that I've prepared in my entire career. So I've put together this seminar. I want to show you a little bit, if you don't mind, of what I've put together, because honestly, I'm kind of mind blown at what we've got here. So basically, you're going to get immediate access to the materials. So everything I'm going to show you here, other than the PowerPoint that will be put up 30 minutes before the seminar, but you're getting everything else. And so you don't have to wait until the seminar, I'm putting up here a private video where I've broken down and researched, and you're going to see it in essence play by play on why I believe way more businesses than anybody seems to be thinking will qualify for this, again, including the essential businesses. So anyways, you're going to get immediate access to the link to when we have the live Zoom. But then you will be able to watch immediately this video where I'm doing the research, breaking it down up on the screen for you. And then a bunch of stuff here. I've got a link for you after the seminar that you can go back and watch the video, and then access to this entire web page. Okay, I'm going to scroll back up here in a second, but look at all this. This entire web page you'll have access to immediately with all the links and the worksheets and the Excel spreadsheets, etc., examples, flow charts. You're going to have access to that immediately, and you'll continue to have access to that, including the link to the video after the seminar for 30 days. So I've got an executive summary, I've got ERTC examples, but you get a link to the Excel spreadsheet. So 4 different ways to calculate it, 2 for 2020 and 2 for 2021. And then I've got a couple of flow charts that show you how it works for 2020, also for 2021. And then we've got some examples. We know that the second way that you qualify for this is a reduction in your gross receipts. Well, it's 50% hurdle in 2020. It's only a 20% hurdle in 2021. Now, this credit is retroactive back to March 13th of 2020, even if you got the PPP, and the credit goes through June 30 of 2021. And so there's some real trickiness to how do you know which quarter, other than just looking at your gross receipts, but like how long and what wages get included. And I break down carefully what businesses do qualify for this, even the ones that everybody's saying, oh, well, but they were essential. Again, I'm not finding a way for you to bust the law here. I'm finding you the way to just understand it, apply it, take advantage of it properly. So anyways, and then I've got pinpointed a lot of these links right here, right, are to the IRS website, but directly to the forms, step by step. The PowerPoint that I'm going to go through that you'll get a PDF copy of 30 minutes, it'll be up here 30 minutes before the seminar, will walk you through all of this. And if you haven't taken one of my seminars before, I overkill it basically and provide a ton of info. I'm planning on 2 hours Usually I go longer, plus Q&A, live Q&A. I threw in some extras here. I'm not going to go over the sick leave credits, but so many people are missing out on the sick leave and family leave tax credits all the way back to April 1st on those, and the self-employed qualify for those. No one's talking about it. So anyways, I've put my calculations in there for you that you can open in Excel, and then the forms that those go on as well. I tell you what, on that self-employed, even though it's not part of this seminar, people are missing out on that. So again, when you sign up, click on the link in the body of this video. But when you sign up, you're going to get access to all that stuff, all of these examples, the worksheet, the flow chart. You'll be able to watch this video that I put together talking about the expansion of that. Well, looks like that's the video to tell you about this video, but you're going to get a video that walks through my research on why I think so many businesses qualify. So you're going to be able to watch that video immediately. You don't have to wait till the live Zoom. So what I'd love for you to do is join me in this seminar and click on it. I think you'll enjoy it. Boy, I could really sell this to you. I really could. I'm just that passionate about this. And you'll probably say, well, JJ, why don't I just watch your videos on YouTube? Well, because you're going to get all this, number one. Number two, when I'm doing a Zoom, I'm able to know who my audience is, walk through, give complete information. When I'm doing a YouTube video, it's going to anybody. I don't know if they're going to misinterpret it. I don't know if they're going to watch 3 minutes of it. I mean, look at my eyes. Honestly, right now, yeah, it's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm up. I'm researching. The IRS just came out with something new that's mind-blowing. It's kind of what I was expecting, but I'm a little disappointed. The IRS didn't take it one extra step. Nonetheless, anything that's going to be updated between now and the seminar, I'll keep updating this page. It's all up to date right now. And then even after the seminar, you're going to have access to this page, as I had told you, everything, including the video of the seminar. And if there is any updates, I will continue to update that web page. I don't know if I told you how much it is. It's a steal. It's a bargain. No, I'm not selling you. I'm just telling you, $97 for all this seminar, PowerPoint, research video, all that stuff. You get immediate access to everything. So anyways, I'll quit. I'm just excited about this. I really am. And I think this is going to be huge. I know PPP is huge, but this is huge. I tell you, I've already done the employee retention tax credits, the sick leave, and the paid leave credits for all of my clients. I was able to stop the payroll company from filing 941 so that we could get the Form 7200 in. But I'll walk you through. If you didn't get the 7200 in, if you're going to put the 941 in, if 941 time period is already in, how do you go about it? 941X. And then remember, this is also going into 2021. So how do you get this right now? And this is what people aren't grasping, okay? That makes me just, get anxious about this, is that you, with Form 7200, you get your money within days, within 10 days. They have a special department that it goes to. So for those that are able to get the 2021 tax credit, you get it in advance. Anyways, all right, listen, it sells itself. And I don't mean the seminar, this tax credit. It's unbelievable. No one's talking about it. And then I'll be honest with you. There's a ton of people out there trying to find ways that businesses don't qualify for it. It's mind-boggling. So in this video that you'll immediately be able to watch, as well as all the materials, I'm going to walk you through why it's not mind-boggling to me, okay? It's not mind-boggling to me that, and I'll put it conservatively, 90% of small businesses out there should qualify for this employee retention tax credit. All right, hey, listen. If you aren't going to go to my video, maybe you picked up a little kernel of info. I do have a playlist on the employee retention tax credit. Check it out. If you're not going to attend the video or attend the seminar, I'll miss you. I will. And then I'll see you on future videos. Subscribe. And then don't you ever forget, you've never met a CPA quite like me. All right, hey, thanks for watching till now, and I hope to see you on the Zoom. Thanks so much.